Are you tired of losing billable hours because time tracking in Zoho Books feels like a maze? Learn how to start a timer for any project task in under 30 seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start a timer in Zoho Books, from opening the app to hitting start. Let's dive in. First, open up Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Time Tracking module to get started. Now, click the plus icon to add a new time entry. Next, click on Select a Project to choose the project you're working on. Go ahead and select the specific project name from the dropdown. Then click on Select Task to pick the task within that project. Choose the appropriate task name from the list. Now, type in the time spent so far on this task. If this time is billable, click the Billable toggle to mark it. Click on the User field to assign this time entry to someone. Then, choose the user from the list. Type any relevant notes in the Notes field. Finally, click Start Timer to begin tracking time for this task. That's it. Happy tracking! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.